Let's take a look at the new dashboards in ZStream. The first thing you'll notice is that all of our widgets are arranged on a grid, and we can resize them and move them around. For example, if I want to make this epic table smaller, I can go ahead and do that, and I can reorder all these widgets. The second thing you'll likely notice is that we've moved the Dashboards tab to the bottom of the left nav from the top. The reason we did this is because while views can be associated, and these are our views, while views can be associated with a project, they don't have to be, and even if they are associated with a project, all of the content inside them isn't necessarily from one project. So for example, here we see some epics from a bunch of different projects. They can be part of this view, no biggie. The reason we would want to associate a view with the project is so that we can share it. So for example, if we take a look at this view, critical issues, we've set up a bunch of task tables here with different sets of filters. And so if I want to share this with my team, we have a front end to-do queue, a back end to-do queue, and maybe this is a design queue or something like that. We can go ahead and set this view as public. And the reason we can do that is because it's associated with this project. So anyone with permission to use dashboards in this project will be able to view this dashboard. And if they have permission to edit the project, they'll be able to update this dashboard, move widgets around, and change the filters and so on. So because this dashboard is associated with the project, I can go ahead and set it as public. And now anyone with permission to view the dashboards for this project can see the exact same view. So I can have both a private view and I can have shared views as well. For now, that's just indicated by this icon here, which is either a lock or a little team icon. The way we can add widgets is just through this add widget button. Currently, we have the same widgets we had before, but they're resizable. For example, if I want to make it really small, it's a little small, but I can resize it to basically whatever size I want here. And I can also go ahead and set some filters. For example, I have some status filters here. I can set some filters, and I can also show exactly the tables that I want. So if I want to go ahead and show the board on this, I can do that, and I can resize it just like on the tasks tab.